Dear learner, today we are going to discuss about dairy and milk products. What are dairy products? Dairy products are commodities which have been produced by primary processing or secondary processing of milk. All mammals produce milk which contains the correct balance of nutrients with which to feed their young. This milk can also be produced and used commercially, for example, sheep, goat, and cow's milk. Next, the main dairy foods are butter, yogurt, milk, ice cream, fromage, cheese. So these are the main dairy products. First one is milk. Most milk in the UK comes from the Friesian cows and has been heat treated, pasteurized, sterilized, or ultra heat treatment. This has a negligible effect on its nutrients value but increase its shelf life and destroy undesirable bacteria. There is now a wider range of the fresh milk available from your milkman. Milks can be classed according to their fat content and heat treatment they receive at the dairy. Types of milk is pasteurized milk, semi-skimmed milk, and skimmed milk. Other types of milks is UHT milk. This milk owns its long life to ultra high temperature 132 degrees centigrade for 1 second followed by packaging. Flavored milk, usually UHT milk, either semi-skimmed or skimmed. Dried skimmed milk is evaporated milk, condensed milk, full cream or skimmed. Next, specialist dairy products is, first one is sheep. Sheep's milk is nutritious and delicious. The milk has a rich, bland, slightly sweet taste. It has many minerals as cows or goats' milk. British sheep dairy is becoming more people and popular due to the fact that people with allergies find these are better for them than cow's products. Products available are sheep's milk, ice cream, cheese, and yogurt. Next one is goat. These products then come from goats are becoming more popular due to less fat and produce are more digestible and digestible. Many people who are unable to have cow's milk can often drink goat's milk. Goat's cheese will well liked and considered deliciously. That goat product available are milk, cream, cheese, butter, and yogurt. Next, nutritional value of milk. Milk is a valuable source of calcium, riboflavin, and protein to our diet for vegetarian. It can be a valuable source of vitamin A and B12. However, they should not really sterilized of UHT milks for vitamins B12 as they don't contain as much as pasteurized milk. Why do we need calcium? A calcium-rich diet is required to help build strong bones in babies, growing children, and pregnant women. For the rest of us, keep our bones strong and helps delay symptoms of the disease known as osteoporosis, which is becoming more common. Next one is cheese. Cheese is made from the cow's eaves and goat's milk, and it takes approximately 5 liters of milk to produce half kg of cheese. Types of cheeses. There are 4 main types of cheese with numerous varieties of each: hard cheese, semi-hard cheese, soft or cream cheese, blue wine cheese. Food value. Cheese is highly concentrated form of food. Fat, protein, minerals, salt, and vitamins are all present. Therefore, it is excellent bodybuilding, energy producing protective food. These are some of the British cheeses. Sage Derby, Lancashire, Red Windsor, Corpille. Next it's Cheese Shrine, Double Gloucester, Winsley Double, Leicester. Next one is Blue Chestnut, Cheddar, Sutton, Cream Cheese. Next one is European cheese, Brie Combrette, Italy cheese, Parmesan mozzarella. Next one is Edam Holland, Goury Switzerland, Emmentaler Switzerland cheese. Other dairy products are butter. Butter is a natural product made from cow's milk like the hard and soft margarines, and spreads. Butter contain 81% fat, so all have the same number of calories. No preservatives or coloring are added, although salt may be added for the extra flavor. Butter is made simply by choring fresh cream. Next one is yogurt. Yogurt is a culturated product made from the whole or skimmed milk. To improve the flavor and structure, skimmed milk solids or creamy may also be added. Yogurt, regardless of whether labeled live or not, all yogurt contains living bacteria unless it has been pasteurized after manufacturing. Varieties of yogurt is low for yogurt is contain maximum 15% milk fat. Whole milk yogurt contains fat as in whole milk. Whole or real fruit yogurt contains whole fruit in sugar syrup. Fruit flavored yogurt contains fruit juices or syrup. Next one is cream. There are many different type of cream available: whipping cream, double cream, single cream, and clotted creams. Next one, ice cream. Ice cream is one of the most popular comfort food available. It first appeared in Britain in the 18th century and treat strictly reserved for the rich. It can be available from cows and sheep milk in today's society. A vast range of varieties are now available, such as choco chips, vanilla, strawberry, raspberry, ripple to pistachio, butterscotch, and mint as examples. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.